Brand representatives at the ongoing China International Consumer Products Expo said they have seen opportunities and great potential in China's consumption market.
The Hainan Expo is a great window to show to the world the great potential and charm of China consumption market. And it's also a very good platform to let the world to share the benefit of China's open up policy. And at the same time, it's also a very good bridge for a lot of products from abroad to enter into China.
I mean, that's a very unique opportunity. That's very good to be here together with you, for example, a lot of friends from media, as well as a lot of partners and a lot of customers and a lot of people to have a real forum for exchange and improvement.
We see a lot of opportunity in China. Of course, there is the opportunity of the middle class that is keep growing in China. We keep very optimistic, when we look at the future and also the role of Hainan that will play also in the development of the consumption in China.
I see a very huge potential in Hainan. It's a province in full development. And it's for me an opportunity to meet a lot of customers from Hainan, but this expo is big enough for meet customers from all around China.
With an exhibition area of 100,000 square meters, the 6-day expo, from July 25 to 30, has attracted over 1,600 brands from 61 countries and regions.